kasing ano, hindi gawa ko mga video.
For a truly safe and enjoyable journey, please pay attention to the following announcements. Life jackets may be obtained in the following areas. For cabin class passengers, life jackets are found inside lockers in your rooms. For Mega Value and Super Value class passengers, your life jackets are provided on lower bunks. Life jackets for children and for the handicapped will be shown to you by the crew. There are three different kinds of life jackets on the ship. Life Jacket 1. To wear the life jacket, slip over your head, then pull tapes behind your back and tie securely in front. Tie collar tapes and secure properly. Hold life jacket in place when jumping into the water. Your life jacket comes with a whistle which you can use to call for rescue. Life Jacket 2. Wear the life jacket as you would a normal jacket. Turn the collar upward. Tie the upper tapes over the chest. Tighten lower tapes and wind ones around your wrist. Tie them securely in front. Hold jacket in place when jumping into the water. Life Jacket 3. Slip life jacket over your head. Fasten all tapes, then push the buckle. Pull all tapes to tighten. Once submerged in water, use the whistle to get the attention of the rescuers. Passengers are not allowed to be on open deck areas during rough seas. Parents and guardians are advised to closely monitor their children. Don't allow them to play on upper bunks. When sleeping, place children on lower bunks. For everyone's safety, do not block the exit, narrow aisles, and passageways with your personal belongings. Ask for assistance in locating your designated accommodations. For people who need special assistance in disembarking, please don't hesitate to approach any of our vessel crew. In the event of an emergency, stay calm. Remain in your respective accommodations and wait for instructions from the crew assigned to your area. Passengers must put on their life jacket and proceed to their muster stations. In case of fire, fire extinguishers and other equipment are marked with these signs. For your safety, kindly take note of the following emergency signals. In case of fire and other emergencies, the ship's whistle will be sounded rapidly, and the general alarm bell will ring continuously. In case of abandoned ship, there will be seven short and one long blast of the vessel's whistle. For instructions and announcements during emergencies, please pay attention to the public address system. There are emergency exits marked at the front, sides, and rear of the vessel. Follow the directional signs when moving around the vessel toward these exits. This vessel is equipped with several inflatable and rigid life rafts. Should it be necessary to abandon the ship, this will be deployed by the crew. Pay close attention during the passenger's briefing. And for a hassle-free journey, be mindful of the following rules, regulations, and services available to you. Gambling is prohibited on board. Bomb jokes will not be tolerated and violators will be apprehended. Smoking is prohibited in all areas except for the designated smoking area or DSA as per Executive Order 26 and punishable by law. They can ask anyone on the ship where the DSA is. Tampering of any safety equipment is strictly prohibited, such as covering smoke detectors and using to hand things on fire sprinkler system. Should you need medical assistance, a vessel physician is available at the clinic or you may approach the front office. Food, beverages, and other items are available at the restaurant and at shops near you. Comfort rooms are provided in designated areas. Flushing toilet paper and other things in the toilet are strictly prohibited. They can clog drainage system on the ship. Garbage cans are also found everywhere on the ship for your convenience. Throwing of garbage overboard is strictly prohibited. For further assistance, our ship attendants will be more than happy to serve you.
Sharp objects from your body. Una, tanggalin na lang ng tutulis na bagay sa inyong katawan. Second, untanggal all tips from the vest. Pangalawa, tanggalin ang buhol ng life vest. Third, slip vest over your head and onto your shoulders. Pangatlo, isuot ang vest sa leeg at balikat. Fourth, take tape around your waist, chest, and neck. Make sure that all ends are secure and tight. Pang-apat, ibol ang taling matatagpuan sa bad ng bewang, dibdib at leeg. Siguraduhin po lamang na nakatali ito ng mabuti. Familiarize yourself with our exit points near their accommodations. They are found on both sides of the forward, midship, and aft section of the vessel. Alamin ang lahat ng labasan sa inyong akomodasyon. Makikita po mga ito sa makabilang bahagi ng barko sa bandang unahan, gitna, at dulo ng ating barko. All passageways and exit must be clear and free from any obstructions. Huwag po natin lalagyan ng mga kasagabal sa lahat ng daanan at labasan. Alright, that's it. In less than a minute, dapat nakapagsuot na kayo ng red jacket.
safe, sulit, saya, sakay na sa
Alright, thank you so much. Travel products and apprenticeship program. Alright, all you have to do is just be ready and listen. So makinig lamang po, and as I said earlier, meron tayong exam. Alright. So anyways, anong courses nyo? Maritime, right? So mga future, kayo, captain. And then sa inyo, anong course nyo guys? Hospitality. So kayo naman yung makakasama namin sa hotel side. So we have 3 main departments on board: deck department, engine department, and hotel department. So technically, yung ating mga maritime sa deck, and then kayo is hotel. So by the way, this is guys your first time on board to go travel vessel? First time, wala pang bumiyahe sa inyo via to go during your vacation trip? Wala pa. So na-meet ba yung expectations? For sure, di ba, bago pa lang masabing akit kayo sa to go, for sure, iba sa inyo nag-search na kung ano ba yung itsura ng to go. So na-meet ba yung expectation? How was the experience so far? So sa mga hospitality natin, may mga plan ba kayo mag-work as a seafarer? Ako bahala nga sa'yo. And then seriously, yung mga hospitality natin, so welcome na welcome kayo dito. So dito nag-i-start yung ating application. First, you have to undergo your vessel funk tour, which is yung ginagawa natin. And then sooner or later, yung sa mga hospitality natin, mag-take kayo ng aming hospitality onboard program. And sa technical side naman din siya ating maritime experience. So sa school nyo ba, may mga nag-marex na through to go travel? Wala pa. So kayo pa lang yan. So we're looking forward. And then sa hospitality naman, meron na. Wala pa din. So first time pa din. So I hope makonsider nyo si Togo part your HOB program and yung ating maritime experience. So para at least may idea ko, i-search nyo sa TikTok. Marami na kami mga MAREC students and then APEC students na mga nasa international na. So dumaan muna sila sa Togo for a year experience, and then after a year, mga nasa cruise ship na, sa tanker, sa cargo. So they earning dollars. So master overhead, and then chief officer, second officer, third officer, and so on and so forth. And then sa engine naman, we have chief engineer, second engineer, hanggang engine cadet. So yung mga kadete natin, para lang alam niyo, sila yung mga 1 year cadet na walang sahod, pero I guess may allowance. And then after a year, na-absorb naman agad sila. So same lang din sa HOB natin. Pag nag-hospitality onboard program kayo for 7 days or mas mahaba pa, after that, pwede na kayo mag-apply sa amin sa Negrense Marine Services. So, si Togo, meron siyang money. So, si Negrense, sila yung may hawak sa amin. So, din kayo mag-a-apply sa Negrense. So, next slide please. So, dito tayo sa hotel department. So, hotel manager. We have vessel physician on board and vessel nurse. 24 hours naman sila. And then, sa hotel, divided into 2 departments. The F&B department, housekeeping department, and the front office. So, sa hotel side naman yun. Sa technical naman, cadet pa kayo mag-start lahat. Magsisimula talaga kayo sa pinaka-mababa bago pa kayo maging kapitan. Alright. So, company overview. Togo enables the movement of goods and people throughout the Philippines. We are the largest end-to-end transportation, logistic and distribution solution provider in the country. So, may idea ba kayo kung anong RoRo? So, we are RoRo passenger. What is RoRo? Technical side. Any idea? Ngayon lang ba narinig ang RoRo? So, what does RoRo means? Roll on and roll off. So, we carry cargoes, goods, products, and then at the same time, yung ating mga passenger. To be honest, dito sa Togo, mas malaki talaga yung kita nila sa mga cargoes compare sa passenger. So, since yung competition ng airline at saka sa barko is medyo tight na, I guess, ano ang advantage pag sa aeroplano? Anyone? Mabilis. Less than an hour or 2 hours, nasa destination na kayo. But dito sa Togo Travel Vessel, pinakamababa na yung 18 hours. But sa hospitality side, we make sure na every single minute na nandito sila on board is yung experience ay maganda. So yun lang yung nilaban namin sa airline distribution. Sea Solution Freight and Travel, and we are under a subsidiary of SM Investment. So hawak na po kami ni SM. Kaya kung makikita niyo yung mga ibang products namin dito, meron din such as Goldilocks, Brownies, Mini Socultura. So sooner or later, baka magkaroon ako ng Jollibee, McDonald's. Ayun, syempre, eme lang yan, hindi kaya. Ano? So we have 19 ports of call. Take note of this, 19 ports of call. Huwag nyo namang sauluhin. So basta alam nyo lang kailangan. Dito sa Togo, we have 19 ports of call. Ano pa sila yung ports of call? Ito po yung mga destination namin or nakakarry ni Togo. So from Luzon, we have Manila and Batangas, which is our home port. So Batangas, nandiyan yung mga small vessels natin na bumabiyahe ng Katiklan, Boracay, Romblon. So dito naman sa Manila, lahat ng vessel dito sa Manila is mga big vessels and newest vessels. So we have 5 newest vessel under M series, and then yung mga luma namin vessel, kung familiar kayo, yung mga S series. Pag sinabi S series, those are the vessels named under saints. We have Saint Michael, Saint Francis, Saint Augustine of Hippo, and then ngayon yung mga newest vessel namin named under positive Filipino traits and values. So we have Masagana, Maligaya, Masikap, Masigla, and our newest, Masinag. So yun yung mga malalaki nating barko dito sa Manila. So St. Francis, bumabiyahe siya ng Coron, Puerto Princesa, and then from Visayas we have Bacolod, Caticlan, Cebu, Dumaguete, Iloilo, Odjongan, Rojas, Tagbilaran, and then from Mindanao we have Butuan, Cagayan de Oro, Dipolog, Ozami, Zamboanga, and our newest ports of call, Jensan and Davao, na binabiyahe ni Maligaya. So sa Maligaya is a twin ship ni Masagana, means pareho lamang po ang itsura ni Masagana and Maligaya. Do you guys have your TikTok account? So kung may TikTok account kayo, search nyo lang doon Togo Travel Vessel, lalabas na po lahat ng aming barko doon. Para na kayo nag-tour sa barko kasi anytime lagi may mga sumasakay sa aming content creators, mga well-known content creators, so kino-content nila ang Togo. So then we have also our Togo Kada, which is lahat ng content creators nagsasama-sama, bumabiyahe kasama namin. Alright, so moving forward, so ito yung mga ibang amenities na meron sa ibang barko, pero focus lang tayo dito sa Masagana. Dito tayo. So we have 4 types of accommodation dito on board Masagana, from lower to higher. Lower we have mega value, tourist, business class, and stateroom. So economy natin is the mega value and tourist. Then yung ating first class accommodations will be business class and stateroom accommodation. So later on during your ocular, makikita nyo sila kung ano yung itsura ng ating mga accommodation na pwede nyo yung tuluyan once na nag-undergo na kayo ng ating MAREX program and hospitality on board program. So just to further, ang ating hub, magtatrabaho kayo dito kasama ng aming mga crew, is either F&B or housekeeping para after na training nyo, alam niyo yung a-applyan nyo. But kailangan flexible kayo kasi depende sa kailangan naman power pooling kung saan kayo ilalagay. So, it's either F&B, housekeeping, or front office. And then sa technical side naman, your MAREX program, may mga 7 days din tayo. So, mag-duty kayo sa engine and sa deck. Alright? Am I making sense, guys? Any questions so far? Hello? Any questions so far? Alright, perfect. So amenities natin, of course, we have their main lobby, front desk, cafe to go, we have KTV, and of course, Miniso and Kultura. Alright. So skip na natin yung mga ibang vessel. So ito yung mga amenities natin, we have Miniso, Kultura, Goldilocks, Brownies, and cafe to go. So bago kayo bumaba, pwede kayo bumili ng mga souvenirs. So, and then kung active din kayo sa social media namin, follow nyo kami sa Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And then, download our Togo mobile app kung may mga plan kayo to purchase travel ticket para mas makamura kayo. So, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, start tayo sa familiarization tour, which is yung ginagawa natin. And then, hospitality on board. Provides work experience for hospitality management students and then maritime experience. Alright. So, sino dito ang may mga pets? May mga dog, may mga cats. So, pwede nyo po silang isama sa biyahe. Pero syempre, during your hospitality on board MAREX, hindi. What I mean is yung pagbiyahe lang kayo, magbabakasyon sa kahit anong destination na meron kami. Pwede nyo silang isama provided that they have certificate from Bureau of Animal and then, depende sa type ng pets. Alright, our social media accounts. Facebook, TikTok, and travel2go.com.ph. And later on, for sure magpipicture-picture kayo, pabalik ako din. So magpipicture-picture kayo, don't forget to tag us using Togo Apprenticeship Program.
So, huwag niyo kakalimutang i-hashtag yung kasi baka kayo maselect na mabigyan ng free travel ticket. Perfect.
While using our cell
Alright,
phones,
that's
allowed.
Hindi po tayo pwede mag-video and mag-take ng pictures, lalo na po sa ating bridge. So we have bridge tour sa bridge, and then sa engine natin itatawag pa natin kung pwede, since pag nakadak po kasi kami busy sila sa operation sa baba. Pero I'm sure sa bridge natin sa